हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम SOLDC 2025 के पेपर 1 को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। चलो बिना देरी किए हुए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनिस्ट्रीज हैज लॉन्च इंडियाज फर्स्ट डिजिटल थ्रेट रिपोर्ट 2024 इन अप्रैल 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, स्त्री स्त्री समिट 2025 ऑन वुमेन सेफ्टी इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट किस सिटी में होस्ट हुआ है? तो करेक्ट आंसर है इसका हैदराबाद। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है अपना, विच मिनिस्ट्री इज नोडल मिनिस्ट्री फॉर द नेशनल मेडिकल रजिस्टर्स NMR इज सेंट्रलाइज डिजिटल डेटाबेस? तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर। फोर क्वेश्चन, टॉप परफॉर्मर स्टेट इन इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द एग्रीकल्चर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फंड? पंजाब। नेक्स्ट, which ministry launched third edition of PM Yuva schemes? Ministry of Education. Which one of the following ministry is associated with the nutrient waste subsidy schemes? Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. देश का प्रकृति परीक्षण अभियान is an initiative of which one of the following ministries? Ministry of Ayush. World Babes 2025 is an initiative of which one of the following ministries? Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute operates under Ministry of Science and Technology. Swamit scheme launched by which ministry? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Where was the foundation stone for India's first national cooperative university laid? Gujarat. Where was INS Nisar commissioned by the Indian Navy in July 2025? Visakhapatnam. CCPA function under which ministry? Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions. India's Data Imperative Report, Niti Aayog. Inspire Manak schemes, Department of Science and Technology in collaboration with National Innovation Foundation India. Two-thirds members present and voting. Petitions cannot be presented by a member to the House unless recommended by the President of India. Petitions dealing with financial matters. Following conditions apply to admit a resolution in the Lok Sabha. It shall be clearly and precisely expressed. It shall raise substantially one definite issue. It shall contain arguments wrong. It shall relate to any matter which under education no. Correct answer is 1 and 2 V. Option B. According to Rule 178 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha, what is the time limit prescribed for the speech on resolution by the Speaker? Shall not exceed 15 minutes in durations. Which one of the following conditions applies for the admissibility of motions in the House? It shall raise substantially one definite issue. Who among the following decides whether a motion is a part thereof is not admission under the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha and disallowed any motion or part thereof when he is of the opinion that it is in abuse of the right of moving a motion? Speaker. इसमें if not less than 50 members rise in their palace. Discussions no discussions budget no discussion of the budget on the day on which it is presented to the house. Which one of the following conditions is not correct about the right to raise a question of privilege? Not less than 5 members shall be raised at the same sitting. Under which one of the following rules of the procedure conduct of business in Lok Sabha, the Speaker is empowered to give directions about the question of privilege? Rule 28. Sub-campaign, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. PM Poshan Schemes, Ministry of Education. Which institution hosted the Salcon 2025, the third National Conference on Silent Tantra? All India Institute of Ayurveda. Vikas, PM Vikas Schemes, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Poshan Tracker App, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India deals with the salaries and allowances? Article 106. Which one of the following article of the Constitution enables the state to adopt any language in use in state as official language? Article 347. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India makes provisions for appointment of a special officer? Article 350B. Articles regarding as to the payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religions. Article 27. Which one of the following articles of the Constitution of India has provisions regarding appointment of acting Chief Justice? Article 126. Rule of procedure and conduct of business in the Lok Sabha. Before taking one's seat, everyone Secretary General. Under Rule 81 of Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, who fixes the date for the election of the Deputy Speaker? Speaker. What is the time allotted for the private member's business sitting on Friday? Last 2.5 hours. Unless the Speaker otherwise directs, normally which hour of every sitting shall be available for the asking and answering of questions under Rule 32 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of the first hour of every sitting. The Speaker of the House may disallow any question or a part thereof when, in the opinion of the Speaker, it is in abuse of the right of questions, right? It is calculated to obstruct or prejudicially affect the procedure of the right. It is a contravention of these rules, right? It is a matter of public importance. No. Correct answer is C. Discussion time for the questions under Rule 32 in respect of any question or any answer given to a questions. No discussions. How much time may the Speaker allot in 3 sitting in a week for arising discussion on a matter of sufficient public importance? Half an hour. How many members are permitted in the Lok Sabha to ask a question each for the further listening? Not more than 4 members. How many notices under Rule 57 can a member give for any one sitting? No member shall give more than one such notice for any one sitting. When a bill is introduced or some subsequent occasion, the member in charge may make motions in regard to one's sound bill. It's not correct. D. 46. 44th Amendment Act. 47. Second correct. Third correct. Every person who has his domicile in the territory of India shall be a citizen of India. Not. Two and three. Option B correct. 48. 48. 1 correct. 2 correct. 3 correct. 1, 2, 3. 49 has more votes than C. 50 D. 15. 51. Article 350A. Which one of the following languages were inserted in its rule? Bodo and Manipuri not included. Option C. 53. 10th Schedule. 52. Amendment Act. 54. Article 39A. 55. Article 48A. 56. C is correct answer. 57. Clause 1. D. 58. 74th Amendment Act. 59. Article 49. 60. 2 and 3. Option B. 61. Fruit VAT. 62. Wrong question. Wrong options. 63. International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources. United Nations Food and Agriculture Organizations. SMOS, Andhra Pradesh. Simbex, Singapore and India. Monkey Puzzle Butterfly, Pench Tiger Reserve. Replica of the Asoka Pillar, Sri Lanka. Which institute has developed the bacteria-based technique to repair lunar bricks? Indian Institute of Science. Name of the global circumnavigation expedition undertaken by INS Tarini, नाविका सागर परिक्रमा. फिजिकल हेल्थ इंडेक्स में टॉप किया है उड़ीसा. What is the name of the initiative launched by the India Post? Gyan Post. Which one of the following companies has launched a new artificial intelligence tool? OpenAI. Which was the Bharat Calling Conference? There was Mumbai. Where was the National Agriculture Renewable Energy Summit? New Delhi. Global Education Monitoring GEM Report 2024-25 UNESCO. Palna Schemes SDG 8. In the context of banking, which one of the following is the nearest meaning of amortizations? Repayment of principals and interest. Which one of the following committees was constituted to recommend the detailed methodology? Ashram Committee. Economic Survey, Ministry of Finance. Which one of the following is non-contractual income? Profit. Which one of the following is an example of microeconomic variables? Consumers equilibrium. In individuals' actual standard of living, per capita income. Which one of the following is correct about net investments in an economy? Net investment is equal to gross investment minus depreciations. Which one of the following benefits are provided under the IT scheme SEZ schemes 1 and 2? 1 and 2. Third is not correct. Consider the following statements. 1, 2, 3 correct. 86. What is the theme of National Doctors Day? Beyond the Mask, who heals the healers? Napdapa National Park, Arunachal Pradesh. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla recently interacted with the students from the International Space Station Amateur Radio Atlas University, Hawaii. Which one of the following institute has become the first in India to include screening for tuberculosis? Puducherry. Consider the following acts causing the imposition of penalty by the Central Information Commission on the Central Public Information Officers. The first is correct, second is incorrect, third is correct. The not correct answer is 2 only. Consider the following statements regarding the RTI Act 2025. The RTI Act is applicable to all organizations, including this one is not correct. ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये एक्चुअली आई थिंक ऑल गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पे एप्लीकेबल है, प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पे एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. एंड सेकंड इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. 93. Consider the following statements regarding the application of RTA Act 2005. Second is correct. RTI Act 2005 shall apply to the intelligence security organs established by the state government. So not correct. 2 is correct. Consider the following organizations regarding forces falling under the intelligence security organs. 1, 2, 3 correct. Option D. 95 option B. 96 option A. 97 option D. 98 option A. 99 option D. 100 option A just पे. 101 International Monetary Fund. 102 Institute of Economic and Peace. Report on Trends and Progress of Housing, NHB, National Housing Bank. National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development, RBI. Primary objective of the SWAYAT initiative, promoting participation of women, entrepreneurs, startups, youth in public procurement. 1, 2, 3, 4 correct. D answer is correct. 107 D answer is correct. 108 C answer is correct. 109 A answer is correct. 1010 D answer is correct. 111 B answer is correct. 112 B option is correct. 113 B option correct. 114 A option correct. 115 D option correct. 116 A option correct. 117 B option correct. 118 B option correct. Sorry, A option correct. 119 D option correct. 120 A option correct. Thank you guys.